you stay tonight? When I look, huh? Look.
Mà nói người nè bây giờ.
We got
Chắc cái trong cái chỗ bên đó.
Whoa.
I should record, yo. Record the for everything, oh. I'm gonna do that.
Make fun doing.
Mình được quay, được quay của sản
Mẹ tay nó chúng mình gì đó?
À chứ. Mua so tán nào cũng bên định gì nữa, cho chị đâu muốn gì nè.
Có một tô ke, tụi lo rồi.
Stop fast.
Yummy. We got yummy food.
Tại là tụi nó lòi thổi có thay nó, thay nó.
Chicken wings. Stuffed chicken wings.
Có chúng nó không để.
Phở câu, cá vô, phở tay,
Rồi giờ tụi có thay á.
papaya.
Cũng như thổi có thay nó cũng lon được mà thổi là dài.
Yummy food.
Cái chữ phần nhiều. Tay. À, nhà một tụi nó có nhá.
It is 11:09. Yes, the time went backwards, so we're like an hour behind. So I just came out from the shower, and then I'm gonna get ready, and then I'm gonna go do my laundry, and then go grocery shopping, and then come back home, and then clean my house. So I look pretty fat nowadays, but yeah, I'm gonna get ready, and then I'm gonna go do all my errands today, and then come back home, and then clean my apartment. Alright guys, I am all ready. I am gonna head out to go do my laundry, but first I have to go get my Starbucks. I don't know if they're open today. Oh, it's 12, so I gotta change the time. It says 1, but it's basically 12:20, so it's kind of early backwards. So I'm gonna go and see if I could find a Starbucks close by where I'm gonna do my laundry, and if not, I'll probably get it now and then go straight to my laundry. And then I have to go to the Vietnamese store to go get some stuff to make some pho tonight. So like I was saying, I just got back home and I just drop off my clothes, all my laundry in the house, and then I'm gonna go to the Vietnamese store and go and grab me some stuff so I can make some pho tonight for dinner. So it's a pretty decent day today. 64 degrees. It's kind of warm. It's not chilly. Beginning of November. There's no snow. Good thing. So I'm gonna be using my GPS on my phone to get to the Vietnamese store, since all the streets and the roads are closed down, and I actually need the GPS to help me out. So let's get going to the Vietnamese store. Guys, I am home, so I'm gonna put these groceries away, and then I'm gonna start cooking dinner. since it was a long drive over to the Vietnamese store, and I had to like use a GPS to look for another route to go to the Vietnamese store. So I can show you guys what I actually got. Got the wafflers. I have gotten these or eaten these for a while now. So finally, it's like a certain snack. It's like a cracker. Since everybody should know, right? So do use it. I'm just gonna put it up here. Got the pork rind. So for my pug, I'm gonna leave it out. And I got these. These are the best. These are the nam sausage with chili pepper. Look at that. Yummy. This one doesn't have a pepper in there. Got myself up the pho noodles. Yeah. Okay, and I got myself some new knives that I could use to cut up vegetables and fruits and other stuff. There you go. These were not cheap. They were expensive. A bamboo sushi mat, so I can make sushi. I've been looking for these like all over. So finally I found it at the Vietnamese store. So I was like, okay, let's get it. I'm gonna keep this in the drawer. This lunch, I'm gonna say easy lids. So I see one of my coworker at work uses these, and I actually like it. So I got 3 sets of it. 3 pieces, not 3 sets. 3 pieces, not 3 sets. So I got these. These were not cheap. These were like $8.99 a set. The sandwich bags. Usually I write dates on there to know that I bought them which day. I know it's kind of weird that I do that, but I do. So I'm gonna grab myself a marker and then I'm gonna write on these. I already put the dates on there, so usually I put the dates on there. Usually I buy some that I'll buy like latest and I don't use them and it's no good to use, but still these never expire, so I don't know what I'm talking about. So I put these in here. I bought a bunch. I still gonna organize all this because all this is like, I gotta take these to my mom's. Just say likey. So this is first. Second. This is how it looks like. So I organize bags here. And I did get some more of the trash bags, so I'm gonna put that in there. So that's why I use this section for my sandwich bags, snack bags, garbage bags, spoons, plastic plates, paper plates, whatever it is, and yes, floss. Yep, so it's all in here. And then I got more of these yummy whatever it is, taquitos, whatever it is. These were like out of stock for a while, and finally it was back in stock. And then I got myself some strawberry kiwi. I need to stop drinking pop, Coca-Cola, and Pepsi, and I need to drink some more juice or snacks here. So I got Lay's. These are like hot Lay's. And then I got the original one, the wavy potato chips, and the ruffles. So, hopefully, I can't go up there. First thing, I got me another trash bag set. Let me write that down here. What date I got it. Usually I like to do this is why that I write it down because I like to know when I bought it and when I can use it second. And I like to use the old ones first and then use the new ones last. Okay. I got myself some jug of waters since they don't have bottles over at the Meyer I went to the Meyer in Madison Heights, close to the Vietnamese store, and they ran out of water. I don't know how they ran out of water and they only got these. Usually I'll buy like bottled waters and just drink through it. Now I gotta get these jugs. So these are good exercise. Ugh, these are heavy. But oh well, as long as I have water to drink. So let me put that in the fridge.
Lukua mo pong trao có rau no rau khơ vấn đề thao có thế cứ chỉ muốn gì lơ có bùa bao tia mo cu lu xia chạp lơ sai lo tia lu có rau khơ cho kênh gió con chỉ mùa cô lá trái chua con tu khăn mòn chỉ nâng nó cũ chỉ tao muốn cho có nhau thọ cò luôn lú con mù ta ý chỉ mòn chỉ cho cô I'm just gonna let the water boil and then just pour it in there and then I'll show you guys how I do my pho since it's just only me. So I'm just doing it myself, doing it myself. Oh my god, lớp sự một lao á.
that. So yummy. So satisfying.